How to archive items in Pinterest. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to archive items in Pinterest. Now, archiving abroad removes it from your public profile and you will stop receiving recommendations or notification for it, but the content is saved and can be stored at any time. So to archive, you just need to follow this simple steps. What you need is open up your Pinterest app on your device. Next, you want to tap on the profile initials. So click on the profile initials, go to board, and you want to select the board or you want to select it and just tap on the three dot icon at the top, and then you have these archive board section. If you're sure about it, click on archive, and this is how you will be able to archive boards on or archive items in Pinterest. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.